Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to link other devices to your Strava app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Strava app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we have to go into the top right corner and tap on the cog. And then here under the account section, we find link other services. And here at the top, we find the devices. If we tap on this, we get a list of different kinds of devices that we can connect. There are even more. We can check all of them. But let's say we have a Garmin watch. We just tap on Garmin. And then continue by following the steps shown here. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.